Sarap.
Sarap, man.
Wala na rito, umulan pa na siya.
Parang lechon talaga sa Pilipino.
Lemongrass. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks of lemongrass. Just need to hit it. I have onion leaves right here, salt and pepper, garlic. Pork belly, it's been washed and cleaned. I have salt and pepper here. I'll just mix it. Equal part of salt and pepper. I'll just put it on the top, evenly distributed. So I'll just distribute this all around the meat. Then with this one, because if you see on the side here, there's a lot of meat compared to the fat, but right here there's a lot more fat on it, but the family doesn't want to eat a lot of fat, but we want some meat. So it's basically, I bought this tenderloin, so I'll just put the tenderloin on it, salt and pepper this too. So I have meat, be generous in your salt and pepper. I have a lot of garlics here. It's like 2 heads of garlic. I'll just distribute this all around like that. This is the onion leaves right here. I'll just put it this way, like this. All right, this is it. This is my lemongrass. Some people doesn't want a lot of lemongrass because it's overpowering, but for me, I love lemongrass. All I need to do is tie it in, and while doing that, I'm going to set my oven to 375 degrees, and we're gonna start from there. But I'll be back. I'll try to tie this one in and I'll show it to you guys. Now that I tied it, I'll just put salt on the skin. Turn it around. I'll put some salt in here. Alright. Then next thing to do is put it in the oven for 375 degrees and let it set there for a couple of hours. I'll let you guys know. Then after that, we're gonna raise the temperature for at least 450 degrees Fahrenheit. for, I would say, 45 minutes until the skin is crispy.
Itong mga pinapost.
Woo! Sarap. Oh, lemongrass. Amoy na amoy. Oh, yeah.
Galing nga.
Look at that. Juicy. Alright. Woo! Yeah. Oh, look at that. Juicy. Ooh. Tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo. Joy. Inom ka na pa ng ano mo?
Yeah.
Ikaw ka namin ka na.
Hindi pa. Sarap.
Sarap, man.
Wala na rito. Umulan pa na si Ate.
Parang lechon talaga sa Pilipino.
Isa, kumain ka na. Tikman ko na.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Pare,
Hindi mo lang ako maliit.
bibili ako niya, magpapaluto ako sa ka.
Sige.
Birthday ko.
Yan. Sarap niya, di ba?
Sarap, man.
Para siyang Pilipinas na sibulitsyon
Yeah.
talaga, eh, no?
Parang lechon na.
O sige, parang kainin na natin yan. Bago ang ano yan. Para siyang sibulitsyon, eh.
Sarap, man.
Yeah. Kalaway. Kalaway.
Ano na ano yung ano, di ba?
Marisa.
Kuha pa kayo, oh.
May alat siya eh. Kaya
Ang lupit, man.
Ako ito.
Di ba?
Kunin ko.
Masarap yung may palaman sa loob.
Yeah. Hindi masarap yung may konting tabangan na... Ano
Mm.
yung mga kabili?
May tsaka
Lagyan
Ano
ko
yan?
pa ng lemon to. Upuan na lang kayo.
Parang ito, may kain yan.
Paano?
Okay na ako. Hindi na.
Pwede ko na ba ako magnegosyo nito?
Pwede ka na magbenta niyan, men. Gayahin mo si Dads. Ikaw naman, belly chon, men.
Ano ba yung kay Dad?
Kaya wala. Si mother niya. Ikaw magbenta ka niyan, men. Pero liitan mo lang. Huwag yung